Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add passkeys on your Binance application. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now the passkeys are for extra security, so your Binance application would be super safe and no one could log into it, withdraw your crypto, and so on and so forth. So to find that, first of all, you want to open up your Binance application and log into it. After that, you're going to click at the top left corner on your profile on Binance logo, and then you will see your account. Now you want to go ahead and click on your account itself at the top, and after that you will see a security option. So you want to go ahead and click security. And from here, if you have never added passkeys, you will see it here at the top. If you ever added passkeys, you will need to first delete them and do it one more time. So the passkeys would be the first one. You're going to click on it. So you can log in without passwords, works on all of your devices. So use your passkeys to log in from any sync device and keep your crypto safe. So you're going to click add passkey. Now you will see all of your devices. So you can go ahead and add a passkey to this specific device. And basically, just like that, once you will add your passkey, you will see it on this. As you can see, the passkey for this iPhone has been already added. And that's pretty much it. If you want to go ahead and add some other passkey and delete this one, you're going to click delete option, but make sure that you know that withdrawals and some P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours. So you will need to wait a little bit to do something with your Binance account. And that's pretty much it how you add it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.